How to trade crypto for beginners. Are cryptos really worth a big investment? What are the best cryptos to invest in to make a profit? And finally, where do we even begin? Because of the crypto dominance over the planet, you must be asking yourself some similar questions. Well, the world is undergoing a digital revolution and has taken a turn towards cryptocurrencies. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to CryptoTrends. Do you, like everyone else, have questions about what cryptos are and are curious to know more about crypto trading and profits from cryptos? Well, we recommend you watch this video till the very end. Cryptocurrencies have exploded in popularity over the last year and are currently sweeping the globe. Well, fear of missing out is surely real, and with all of these new crypto trends going on, many of you might be feeling a bit left out. No worries, because we've got you covered. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to trade cryptos in just a few simple steps, so no more missing out and only trading. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's dive right into the video. In a nutshell, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that do not have a physical existence but only a digital one. However, in order to have a good understanding of crypto trading, it is necessary to understand and have a broad knowledge of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency, also known as crypto, is any type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptographic techniques for securing and recording transactions. Cryptocurrencies lack a centralized issuing or regulating authority, instead of relying on a decentralized system to issue new units. The act of speculating price movements of a cryptocurrency through a trading account or buying and selling the coins through an exchange is known as cryptocurrency trading. Trading cryptocurrency is like trading stocks and can be complicated, involving a range of components, careful analysis, and necessitating knowledge. In fact, there are numerous approaches to trading cryptocurrencies, and having proper knowledge of all the risks and legal laws involved is a major one. There are only 5 major steps to get started with crypto trading, so let us now move on to the first one. Step 1. Open a cryptocurrency exchange account. If you are completely new to the world of cryptos, you will need to open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange, and the best cryptocurrency brokerages in the industry include Coinbase, eToro, and Gemini, which offers a simple user interface and a large selection of altcoins to choose from. When choosing a crypto exchange, it is always best to choose one with the features you want, and of course, good security to avoid putting your funds at risk. Furthermore, in order to open an account with a crypto brokerage, you'll need to provide personal identifying information such as your address, date of birth, social security number if you live in the United States, and your email for the process of Know Your Customer requirements. The most important thing to remember is to choose an exchange that supports your cryptocurrency. Some exchanges only support a few cryptos, which could be a problem. It's also good to familiarize yourself with the site's design so it's easier to use. Step 2. Fund your account. The next major step is to fund your newly created account on the exchange so that you can begin trading. To do so, you'll need to link your bank account to the crypto brokerage. Since these crypto exchanges operate on US dollars only, to transfer US dollars into your exchange account, most exchanges enable you to connect your bank account or even your debit card. There might be different fees depending on how you fund your account, and bank transfers are typically less expensive than card options. Additionally, wire transfers are a type of electronic money transfer that most crypto exchanges accept. It's also a kind of international money transfer, having a number of benefits. This method of transfer is both quick and safe and enables an electronic transfer of funds from one bank to another. They're also used to send money from abroad to India. Wire transfers are typically the least expensive way to fund your account, and they are easily accessible on both Coinbase and Gemini. Step 3. Pick your preferable crypto. The next step is to choose a cryptocurrency to invest your funds in. A large percentage of cryptocurrency traders invest in Bitcoin and Ether. However, Because these virtual currencies move more expectedly than smaller altcoins, trading with technical indicators is possible. When deciding on the best cryptocurrency to invest in, an adequate investment strategy must be followed. Additionally, the four basic factors to always consider include market capitalization, white paper, total supply, and most importantly, the use cases of those cryptos. Market capitalization essentially represents the total value of the cryptocurrency that is being traded on the market. White paper, on the other hand, holds all of the cryptocurrency's information, potential, and future plans, which aids in making an informed decision. Well, one of the most important things mentioned in the white paper is the coin's use cases. It is the major driving force behind coin acceptance among people and investors. Simply put, more use cases equals more increase in coin value. Therefore, considering this, as well as looking at the coin supply, is a must. Step 4. Start trading. Crypto trading, just like trading in stocks and commodities, is fraught with dangers and pitfalls. To reap long-term benefits from crypto trading, market participants must make use of some strategies that make trading both enjoyable and risk-free. The most often used crypto trading strategy is to use software like CoinRule to automate crypto trading. Crypto trading bots use a program that is able to provide you with the highest possible returns based on your investment goals. With crypto automated trading, you can make money quickly, keep your coins, or expand your portfolio in a conservative, unbiased, or aggressive manner. You could even experiment with actively trading cryptocurrency on some sites while automating trading on others. Additionally, primary research is among the most vital trade strategies. You don't have to be a trading expert to undertake primary research on the value of the crypto you want to buy. Well, for a successful trade, investors also frequently rely on technical indicators to determine entry and exit points of the trading for specific crypto. Step 5. Store your cryptocurrency. The final step in crypto trading is to secure your cryptos in a wallet on your exchange. One of the most important aspects to consider when purchasing cryptocurrency is how to store it. Crypto storage is your responsibility as the owner. If you lose access to your cryptocurrency, it's probably gone forever. You can store cryptocurrency in a variety of ways, including hardware devices, applications, and even a simple piece of paper. Once you have a better understanding of each storage method, you can select the wallet or wallets that will keep your cryptocurrency safe. The four types of wallets include custodial wallet, hot wallet, cold wallet, and a physical wallet. In other words, there are two kinds of cryptocurrency wallets: software wallets and hardware wallets. Both are secure, but hardware wallets offer the most security because they store your cryptocurrency on a physical server that is not hooked up to the internet. Well, that was about the 5 basic steps to get started with crypto trading, but there are a number of things and factors to consider to ensure that you benefit from such trading. In addition to conducting thorough and accurate research, the rule of not putting all your eggs in one basket applies to both digital assets and stocks as well. Investing in digital assets has the potential to be profitable as well as a lot risky. Diversifying your holdings across several altcoins allows you to limit your losses if the price of one cryptocurrency falls. The cryptocurrency market is evolving on a daily basis, bringing with it new aspects of the trade. To succeed in investing, you must stay current on current events. Social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram, as well as cable news, are excellent sources of trustworthy information. Adjust your investments as the market changes to ensure profits and long-term success. Most importantly, it is critical to recognize that cryptocurrency trading is not a get-rich-quick framework. Trading requires discipline, practice, and skill to succeed, and even successful investors make mistakes from time to time. Cryptos are a good investment if done properly, but they do come with risk, and certainly there's no shortage of reasons to be cautious, from cybercrime concerns to high market volatility susceptibility, to celebrity influence that could limit their value. But whatever the case may be, it is still difficult to ignore the enormous potential that such cryptocurrencies possess. So, what are your thoughts on the rise of cryptos around the world? Do you believe in their potential? We hope you find this video useful, and don't forget to check out our other great videos on our channel as well.